Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I'm going to review newly launched NYB matte lip crayon. So before start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further ado, let's get started. So NYB recently launched this NYB Mix Matte Lip Crayon and I bought the shade number 4, Bad Guy Choice, and it is available in 6 shades. Now let's talk about its packaging. It comes in this clear plastic packaging and it contains 2.8 gram of product, which is quite enough, and the shelf life is 3 years, which is mentioned in outer plastic packaging, but it does not have any ingredient list. So this is the only con of this product. It's come in wooden non-retractable form, which means we have to sharp it, and the price of this lip crayon is just 150 rupees, but you will get discount over it. And if you want to buy combo pack, then you will get one sharpener and one lip crayon at just rupees 149 after discount, which is very affordable. So I bought this combo pack. So the cap is very secure and tight. So this is travel friendly. The lip crayon glides very easily in your lips, and the color payoff and pigmentation is very nice. The formula is creamy matte, so this transfer a bit, so it is not a transfer proof, but it settles into a matte finish. When we talk about its staying power, it lasts long for 3 to 4 hours, but if you eat oily food, it fades away from inner lips. The shade which I have is Bad Guy Choice number 4, which is nice nude pink shade which suits fair to medium skin tone beauties. So let's see the swatches. So overall, this is very affordable and good quality lip crayon, which was only available on purple.com. So hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you have any question, do comment in comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.